Make a great choice today with the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, Pwr.Liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.